taking shares from the market at a price, for example, 800. Now what the thing is, now the price is unfortunately rupees 400. Now I cannot move my shares out. If I move my shares out, what will happen? It will be a loss, because present value is rupees 400. What you will do? You will keep on waiting till it comes at least at 800, or you will make your mind यार 750 आए तो मैं निकाल लूँ. अब आपके दिमाग में एक क्वेश्चन होगा, ये क्यों होता है और ये कैसे होता है? हाँ, वो भी सुनिए. You know the rule of demand and supply? Do you know the rule of demand and supply? It all happens because of demand and supply. If you remember, some years back, maybe in year 1997 or somewhat, the prices of onions in the market became 80 rupees per kg. And people at the time of Diwali, they were sending onions in onion basket to the relatives, and it was more expensive than sweets in the shops. Why it happened?
So वो में टेस्ट के लिए गैस को डाला था.
नहीं, whatever it may be, the reason is that there was a short of supply in the market, and Indian person cannot survive without money. My papa always takes his lunch and dinner with onion. चाहे वो कितना ही महंगा हो, चाहे वो कितना भी सस्ता. मेरे उनके तो मैंने देखा है, और ऐसा आपके घर में भी होता है. हर चीज में प्याज डलेगा, नहीं तो आपको टेस्ट नहीं आएगा. आप जानते हैं ज्यादा अच्छे से. ओके, what is a basic need, my dear? So now when basic need, for a basic need supply is less, what will happen? The price will go high. The same thing happens in the stock market also. When the prices are high, when supply is less. When supply will be less? When foreign institutional investors, Indian investors, you can say institutional investors of India, they used to take a bulk of shares from the market. What happens? At that time the prices go high. Why they purchase? Because they see something good in Indian prospects. The prospects in India are very good. They see it like that. That's why they purchase shares from India. Okay, keeping shares with them and again waiting that the prices will go further higher, and then they will sell it out. So this is all the game of demand and supply. Now what is Sensex? Sensex is actually weighted average of price and volume of transactions of top 30 companies in a day. It is calculated after every 5 seconds. But नीचे होता है ना दिन में, every 5 seconds it is calculated. Because now we are having electronic exchanges. So that top, it is an index which shows the pulse of the market, you can say. Okay, it is an indicator of a stock exchange. Every index is an indicator of a stock exchange. In the same way, Sensex is also. When it goes high, it means what? The volume of transaction are increased. Now listen, volume means मैंने खरीदा, इन्होंने इनको बेचा, इन्होंने मेरे से खरीदा, इन्होंने इनको बेचा, इन्होंने इनको. What happened? कोई एक share it circulated. Now share is what? खरीदने वाले, short of supply, और you can say excess demand. क्या होगा? ये मेरे से खरीद रहे हैं, अब मैं इनको अगर बेच रहा हूँ और ये खरीद रहे हैं, मैं क्यों बेच रहा हूँ? मुझे ₹2 मिल रहे हैं. इनको ये फिर आगे बेच रहे हैं, ₹2 मिल रहे हैं. तो एक दिन में अगर आप 4 बार खरीदोगे, मेरे को डेफिनेटली कुछ मिल रहा होगा तभी करोगे. So this keeps on increasing, and the volume of transaction, when it's increased and it's multiplied by price, and the weighted average of this for top 30 companies are calculated. That is called Sensex. Okay, so the market moves with the demand and supply. When the demand is very high, prices will be high. When the prices will be high, what are the two conditions? Either there will be short supply or there will be high demand. Okay, you cannot print the shares at your home, can you? You cannot, isn't it? The same thing happens in currency market also. Foreign exchange market. Can you print dollars at your home? No. You cannot print even rupees. You can if you want to go to jail. Okay. So the supply, when demand will increase, when demand of Indian rupees will increase, when it will increase? When the foreign institutional investors want to invest in India. In order to invest in India, they will require rupees, not dollars. यहाँ तो डॉलर नहीं चलता है. So what they will do? They will put some dollars and take some rupees to invest in India.